Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create sub account in Binance step by step. So first of all, you need to go to your browser and search for Binance and go to the official website of the Binance. And after coming here, as you can see the interface of the Binance, you can also uh, log in via your uh, mobile application of Binance, and after that you have to select on your profile here, and after of course after logging in, and as here you can see the dashboard, assets, order, reward hub, referral, account and sub accounts. You have to just simply select on sub accounts, and after that you just have to uh, get verified and follow the instructions they gave you, and you can get approved by the Binance, and successfully create your sub account. And that's how you can create sub account in Binance. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.